Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities, and in this video we will learn every point in the section houses, drains and streets. Question 1. Generally, Harappan houses were dash stories high. The options are either 1 or 2, either 2 or 3, either 3 or 4, either 1 or 3. Your time to choose. And the answer is either 1 or 2. So, generally, Harappan houses were either 1 or 2 stories high. Question 2. Most Harappan houses had dash. The options are a separate bathing area, wells to supply water, A and B, a separate cooking area, and a storehouse. Your time to choose. And the answer is a separate bathing area. So, most Harappan houses had a separate bathing area. Next question. Some Harappan houses had dash. The options are separate bathing area, wells to supply water, A and B, a separate cooking area, and a storehouse. Your time to choose. And the answer is wells to supply water. So, some Harappan houses had wells to supply water. Question 4. Many of the Harappan cities had dash. The options are fire altars, special tanks, palaces, covered drains. Your time to choose. And the answer is covered drains. Question 5. The covered drains were carefully laid out in dash. The options are north-south direction, straight lines, square pattern, east-west direction. Your time to choose. And the answer is straight lines. So, the covered drains were carefully laid out in straight lines. Next question 6. Each drain had a dash so that water could flow through it. The options are drainage cover, steep slope, gentle slope, drainage person. Your time to choose. And the answer is gentle slope. So, each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. Next question. Very often, drains in houses connected to drains on dash. The options are the streets, the tanks, the canal, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is the streets. So, very often, drains in houses connected to drains on the streets. Next question. Very often, dash drains led into bigger drains. The options are higher, canal, smaller, lower. Your time to choose. And the answer is smaller. So, very often, smaller drains led into bigger drains. Question 9. Very often, smaller drains led into dash drains. The options are canal, bigger, lower, even smaller. Your time to choose. And the answer is bigger. So, very often, smaller drains led into bigger drains. Question 10. As the drains were covered, dashes were provided at intervals to clean them. The options are stone tools, drainage persons, a break in bricks, inspection holes. Your time to choose. And the answer is inspection holes. Last question. Houses, drains, and streets were probably planned and built at dash. The options are special buildings, higher lands, the citadel, the same time. Your time to choose. And the answer is the same time. So, houses, drains, and streets were probably planned and built at the same time. Okay, so in this video, we learnt every point in the section houses, drains, and streets. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section life in the city. I'll see you there.